Well, hello and welcome back, my friends. We are heading north of Albuquerque, and I'm going to look for a nature center I've never heard of called Randall Davies. And I thought it'd be interesting. They say there's a bunch of birds out there in very nice nature, mountainous area. So I thought it'd be a great little trip today. So we're going to head out there and enjoy the day. Right now I'm at a rest stop, a little more than halfway to Santa Fe from Albuquerque. And it's just a beautiful rest stop. There's tons of hollyhocks. There's a lot of little markers here to read. Just a nice place to stretch the legs. But let's head out. Well, we finally made it. That was a lot of weaving in and out, up and down roads. We finally made it to the canyon here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know where to go, but we'll figure it out. Let's go wander around. You can really hear those birds. It's like a classroom here. Pretty cool. Oh, the giant hummingbird. Well, I remembered my binoculars, but look at that. I got a whole bunch for you.
To identify, that's where we'll see the most birds. We'll spend probably 45 minutes to an hour up here, then do a little bit of a break if you'd like, and then we'll do an actual walk down through the Santa Fe Canyon Preserve. It's the way the feathers reflect the light to you. So you think of it like a prism, and when a prism almost identical to the females, so that means you can't tell whether it's hummingbird. And that is not a vocalization.
Look at that beak. No wonder it's called a grosbeak.
Yeah. So we
it's also got a different color. It's eye.
Right. So we can. So that's here is we have two finches that look very much alike here. One is the house finch, and the other. See the yellow? I haven't seen a bush pit this morning yet. Or you said something. There was a nuthatch. Yeah, so this little cylinder feeder is filled with the Niger thistle, but it's not, is the black-headed grosbeak. But it's probably it's over in the it's not on this mountain. Yeah.
Violet purple thing. It's still there, huh?
How old is this building here?
Okay, I'll do that one in a minute when everybody gets in here.
Okay.
And this is the original Randall Davey house. This was built in 1847 as a sawmill. It milled lumber for one project only, which was Fort Marcy in town. Then it was converted into a grist mill, and then it was converted into a two-story residence. Randall Davey, his death in 1964, and in 1983, it was donated to Audubon and became the center it is now. Cowbird, what? Brown cowbird is in the I can see the sizzle. Way up in the top. Way up. Yeah. Way at the top, and reeds is just got the. Okay, they're probably really widespread then.
We see them in California.
Yeah. Probably climate change. Swallow, violet green swallow, tree swallow, bank swallow.
Well, this is pretty interesting, pretty cool. I've never been with a group of bird watchers before, and I didn't realize that they just stop in front of a tree or a feeder for like 30 minutes. I'm used to a faster pace. I would have been through this place already. So just kind of waiting for the group. And but it's such a beautiful place. It really is. Got a pear tree here. Some new pears. Very cool.
Younger trees, of course, are being protected from deer. We have lots of mule deer up here. And we're planning to try to keep this as an orchard. So if you're here, and be careful of the remnants from our feral cow.
Cows and wild chickens.
And we have lots of people who come up here with their kids.
Well, let's go check out the tree house. Oh, I love tree houses. Like a giant beehive. I'm the king of the world. Like an acorn.
They all get planted. Was part of the colony, I guess.
I'm getting a little beat. Not used to this standing in the sun. I love looking at the birds and hearing about it, but some of these people were asking what these fruit trees were. I mean, an apple tree and a pear tree? Not to be mean, but you don't know that's what kind of fruit tree that is, plus the cottonwoods. Oh well. Let's go back in here. It looks interesting. Oh, nice and shady. Ah, nice little creek. Beautiful. Asakia is what it's called. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. acequia. A little offshoot of water to help with watering plants and such. Just beautiful, beautiful through here. Make a great yard. Oh wow, I love cactus. Different kinds here.
Didn't see anything down there? I didn't come last.
Well, that's going to do it, folks. Need to grab some more water and get out of this heat. But that was fantastic. That was a little bit of heaven for me. If you know me, I love flowers. I love garden areas and the birds and the chipmunk. And I saw a red squirrel. I don't know if I got it, but just this beautiful mountain air up here in the Santa Fe Hills. So nice. But I'm a little beat and a little out of battery, so we are going to head back home. Let's have a beautiful drive and beautiful scenery on the way back. Come on, let's go. Now they're going on an hour hike through the canyons. I just can't do it. My allergies are killing me. I'm overheated. I guess I'm not in that good a shape. It looks like an old house on a beautiful park setting. I don't know what it is. I'm going to go check the sign. It's a park, but sure is different. There's some people down here doing Tai Chi or something. Oh, here's a plaque. The historic Santa Fe Foundation finds this building worthy of preservation. Hydroelectric power plant, 1895. Wow. Somebody's notebook. Look at these trees, they're spectacular. Huge. Cute little puppy. Very interesting. Wow, this is pretty pleasant. It's been a very relaxing day. Beautiful scenery on the way up. And while up here, and I'm sure on the way back. There's some wealthy people up here in Santa Fe, especially the hills. Some of those homes are just fantastic. I would have loved to have gone on that hour hike up the canyon there, but when we first started, I just kind of lucked out. There's a bunch of people standing around, so I thought, well, I'll stand around here too. Ended up being a tour guide, and he goes, it'll be about 45 minutes through the garden. Then we'll take a break, and then we'll go through a canyon walk. But the 45 minutes turned into 1 hour and 45 minutes, at least. So I thought, that's enough for me. Bye. Ambulance chaser. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. No, I can't help falling in love with you. I like them ripe taters. Type yo, Y-O, in the comments if you watched all the way to the end. It'll be our secret.